to use may, might and must. May is used with two things like permission and possibility. Permission is like when you are seeking a permission. May I come in, ma'am? May I have a glass of water? This is the permission. And when you're talking about the possibility like it may rain, he may come. So this is two things. When I'm talking about the might is always used with the past tense. He might come to my house. He might have returned the keys. When I'm coming to the must is like order, obey. Must is like giving an advice. Must is with obligations. If I'll say must, you must do this. You must obey your parents. You must bring this copy tomorrow in the school. This is the way I'm using the must. Must is also used with the probability. Probability like he must have done this work yesterday. He must have done this work by today. So this is must. We should use may, might and must by looking at the sentences when you are speaking. It's very much important. Thank you.